Yo, it's Escape Point here, back at it again with another video. Honestly, this week wasn't the best. Work was pretty hectic this week, which meant I really couldn't work on game development as much this week, which isn't the best, but it can just be like that sometimes, so it is what it is. This week has been mostly an organising and planning week. I've been compiling my old projects, reading code, and researching what I'm going to do next for my next game engine. The plan is to take everything I've learned and made over the years and distill it down into one good thing. So I've just about started writing a game engine again. There is still work to be done just to have the absolute fundamentals of the game engine finished. The plan is just to render a square in the middle of the screen, and after that I'll decide what to do next. So the first thing I did was bring all the dependencies together. So I'm working with glfw, speedlog, glm, tinyobject, and Vulkan. So they all nicely link together and compile. The tinyobject loader likely won't stick around for long, it's just used for demos and loading assets. So yes, I hope to make this game engine with Vulkan, which is going to be fun. Outside of getting the dependencies to work, I've got logging throughout the engine and layering set up. I've been really trying to keep things as simple as possible, and I've reduced the amount of lines of code I used last time to achieve the same idea of layering in my game engine, which is all good in my book. I've been really conscious this week that I need to explore the ideas, which I think are good, but they might actually be a bad idea in the long run, as I'm trying not to write code for things I think I might need in the future, without proof. As you might expect, I've begun to learn Vulkan again. I need to do a little revision on how things are set up, as Vulkan's not that straightforward. I've also spent some time this week learning about how to manage memory in game engines. When reading the book Game Engine Architecture 2nd edition, it turns out that a lot of game engine developers write their own custom allocators because new and delete or free on malloc are actually too slow, which is pretty mind-blowing to me, as new and delete are both fundamentals of C++. I don't think this is something I need to worry about, as I don't think I'll become a bottleneck anytime soon, but it shows I have still a lot to learn. It's likely from now on I'm only going to use LeetCode as revision for data structures and algorithms, rather than actively try to solve problems each week. I think I'm going to make more progress as getting better as a game developer, making a game engine, than solving questions on LeetCode. So that's all for this week. Hopefully next week won't be as chaotic. So until next time, bye.